Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I will show you how to active or how to reinstate your AdSense account. That means if you got your channel has been disabled, then how to enable your AdSense account. That means if you got demonetized, that means you have to gain the money. That means the enabling earning point has been disabled. Now the question, how we can enable our AdSense account. Friend, see carefully step by step, and hopefully you will do it easily. Okay, first you will open a YouTube channel. Then you have to go your icon and you have to click your channel. Then you have to click on customize channel. Then you click video manager. Then you shall click on please wait my friend, sorry for being late. Okay friend, if you see this type of phase, then you can change it. Then you shall go this 4 or 3 lines, click here, then you go to and click creator studio classic, and you will skip it. Now you shall go your channel. See here friend, monetization. This monetization has been disabled. Monetization on this account has been disabled due to invalid click activity. This may comes any type of cause. What about that? Now when to uh, monetize again, that means we want to enable again our monetization. So what should I do? You have to click learn more. Then you will see like this, scroll down, and from the last, how to turn on monetization back on. Turn monetization back on, you have to click on this statement. Then it will go see here friend, note that service a violation of our YouTube monetization policies may result in monetization being permanently disabled on all our any of your accounts. It means not that your account would be permanently reinstated. That means you can get monetization again. It may be or it may be not. You shall go invalid activity, invalid click activity on your YouTube channel or on channel you go. And if you see here friends, what you can do, see here what you can do or how can you do. I click this appeal your disabled account. You have to click on this link. This finally this page comes to us. Friend, I shall give you this link. Actually you will get this link directly, so you will not get face any types of problem, hopefully. Okay, here they're asking some questions. Do you have your AdSense login email or your publisher ID? Yes. If you have, then you should click yes. Are you able to log in to your Google account, that means Gmail? Are you able to log in your Gmail account? Yes, of course, yes. Here asking the was your account is disabled more than a year? If yes, then you click yes. If no, then click no. So they are saying here, please fill in this form. So I'm clicking this link, and you should click this form also, link also. When click that link, this will come, and simply you will fill up this form, and it is very easy to fill up. I should tell you step by step, so don't worry. And I should give this link, and you have to click this that link, and you will get this page directly. I shall give the link in my description box. Okay friend, now record field, you shall give your name here, then you have to put your email here, and you see here example URLs or app ID where you have placed your ads. Just you can give your YouTube channel name. Suppose that I'm opening again my channel, because I want to give my channel name. I'm clicking again my channel name is this. Just I'm copying my channel name, and I will paste here. Okay friend, I shall give you all the statements how you will write, how to give the answer. So friend, I'm repeating again, please enter your name. You have to give here your channel name. My channel name is Mofizul Web Tech and Computer Center. You have to copy your channel name and paste the. Here I've been given the all questions answer, and I shall give the description link, and you will get this answer. Actually I will give you the answer link, and you have to click on that link, and you will get the answer. And you will here are some 5 questions answer, you will put there as I am given. See here friend, these are the questions. Here you will give your YouTube URL, search this URL. This is your YouTube URL name. You will give your URL, YouTube URL here and here, and you will put here no, and give the 5 questions answer. There's just a copy and paste. Okay, I think you will not face the problem, because I will give this link, and you will download and put the answer on the boxes. And finally you have to click on this terms condition mark, and you will submit. Click on submit button. So submit button, when you click, then you will get this message, thank you for your submitting an invalid activity appeal, and you will get the message at your email. Okay, hopefully you got this point. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget subscribe our channel if you feel, and if you feel that this may comfort for you. Thanks for watching this video.